12, 16. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 6. Divided by 2 is 8. Can be divided by 2. Divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. 4. Can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Divided by 2 is 1. Cannot be divided by 3. Okay. Cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 3, therefore equal. 1, 1, okay. Finish it. Therefore, here, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3. 1 time. 2 multiply 4 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Multiplied by 2 is 8. Multiplied by 2, 16. Exponent 1 equal 3. Multiply 48. Okay.